My lipstick brings all the boys to the eye.
They're like, it's better than yours. They're like, it's better than...
My favorite part is blush. My favorite part is blush. My favorite, you guessed it, blush. Hi friends, it's your guy Eli Levi, and welcome back to my channel. Covergirl just announced that it is cruelty free. Oh my gosh, that is insane. Covergirl has now proved to us that it is 100% possible for all drugstore companies to be cruelty free. I have never bought anything Covergirl ever before, so I thought, hey, why not make a video out of it? So I'm gonna go right now to CVS and pick up the Covergirl makeup, do a little haul moment, and then I'm gonna come back, show you what I've got, and do hopefully a full face using Covergirl makeup. All makeup mentioned on my channel is cruelty free, so that being said, let's get into the song. Cruelty free or it's not for me. To CVS!
Okay, so we're in CVS right now, and I've never shopped for Covergirl before, so this is very exciting. I've heard a lot about specific things. I've tried to do my research, but for now, I'm gonna look and see what's good. I don't want a matte foundation, because matte is not for me at all. Oh, the elixir. I heard the elixir is good, but I don't know that it's my shade, because I'm super pale. We're gonna do that. We're gonna go for the elixir. Now for concealer. I think I've heard more things about the invisible concealer. Let's do that. So I'm gonna do this one. They don't have a good shade range though. That sucks. Covergirl, get it together, okay? Your shade range is not that great. Okay, so right here they have this like blush, bronzer, and highlighter trio, so I'm gonna get that. Now for lipstick. Oh no, mascara. Everyone raves about this, was it Lash Blast mascara? So I'm gonna get the black brown, because, you know, everyone gets it, so why not? Okay, so I'm getting mascara, I'm getting concealer, foundation, blush, bronzer, highlighter, and now for lips. That's like a good color. You think? Or is it too light?
It's too you. I swear, you have the same color lipstick.
I don't.
You have 15 of the same color lipsticks.
They're all different.
What colors do they have?
I don't know. They don't have a good shade range.
No, they don't.
Like, this one's good.
Didn't you just grab that one?
No, it's different. Wait, is it? Oh, but what if we get, like, the little ones? Because the little ones are, like, $6.
Ooh.
I know. Maybe... Oh, these palettes are so cute. I want to see if I can actually use them, you know? What about...
The brown?
This one? I like this one.
Perfect.
The Country Woods.
Let's get it. Before you change your mind.
Okay, so I like this one. I'm gonna go with this one. I think with all of the stuff that I have, I think we can make a good full face out of it. So I got all my stuff, and I'm gonna check out, and I'll see you back in the studio.
Girl, put the bass in your walk, head to toe, let your whole body talk. Girl, put the bass in your walk, head to toe, let your whole body talk. Cover of magazine, and when they see me, they wanna be me. I am the fantasy. Girl, put the bass in your walk, head to toe. Let your whole body.
Alright, so I'm back from CVS, and I have this beautiful CVS bag full of Covergirl makeup. CVS, honestly, this is ridiculous. I have, oh my gosh, okay. Literally, like, this is the receipt. And then this is like all coupons. Like, come on. Like, you just wasted all that paper. Alright, so today I spent a total of... Wait, I can't do math. Hold on, give me a second. So I spent a total of $72.62. So, not bad. Alright, so let me just take off this makeup, add a little moisturizer, and I'll be right back. So I already primed my face using the Tatcha Silk Canvas, of course, and the Becca First Light Primer. These are my two staples. They work incredible. I wanted to make sure that the foundation and the concealer had a chance. So joining us today is pimple number 1 and pimple number 2, so love that for me. For foundation today, I'm using the Covergirl Vitalist Healthy Elixir. It's super cute packaging, and hopefully this is my shade. See, the issue with CVS is that you never know whether things are your shade or not. You know, you can't just like test things out like Sephora. So I'm hoping this is my shade. Oh, she looks a little dark. All right, so let me see if this is a match. Honestly, not bad. It's a little bit on the yellow side, and it's a little dark, but it's not that bad. Anyway, I'd much rather have my foundation be a little bit darker than a little bit lighter, because obviously we'll get Flashback Mary pale moment like we did, like, what, 2 videos ago? If you haven't seen that video, go check it out. It's super funny. Just me failing at life. But yeah, so I'd much rather have it be a little bit darker. It seems to be medium coverage. Medium buildable. Hopefully buildable. We'll see. Okay, so it's a little bit dark, so I'm just gonna add some to my neck and my ears to try to make it a lot less harsh and drastic. But I think once I set things, add concealer, everything will start looking a little bit better. My imperfections, you can still see them, but they're not as like, wow, you know? It's, I don't even know what that was. I like the coverage, I like how it looks so far, but we'll see as we progress. Okay, for concealer today, I'm going in with the Clean Invisible Concealer. It's in the shade Fair, which is 115. Hopefully there's not like a stark difference. They didn't have a good shade range, but yeah, so they're starting to be more inclusive and have better shade range, which is good. Just their concealer shade range sucks. Oh my gosh, I can't open this. Come on, I want to use you. Please open up. I think it's just gonna be like 10 minutes of me trying to open this concealer. You know what, I want to get someone in my family to open this up, and then I'll be right back. Okay, so I'm back, and I opened it. It's a cute little dope fit applicator. It doesn't seem thick, like too thick. You know, it seems thick enough where I feel like it's not gonna crease, but it's not too thick to the point where I'm like, ugh, you know? Is this blending? I don't know. Hold on, let me see if my forehead's blending. Oh my god, is it not blending? Oh no. I think this is a lot more quick drying than I thought. It's not blending. Oh no. I had a little bit more coverage here, but I'm gonna blend it in right away because this thing dries real fast. It is pulling, I don't know if you see, but it's like pulling away at my foundation on my nose. So actually, I'm gonna go back in with the foundation. For some reason, this concealer is just not working on my nose. So before this all creases, I'm gonna go set my face and I'll be right back. Now that my face is set, I just used the Laura Mercier translucent powder. I was a little afraid about the loose powders that Covergirl had. I really wanted to give the concealer and the foundation a fighting chance, so I decided to use my own powder that I know that works. For bronzer and blush and highlight, I got this like cute little trio. So it has all 3 things in one. I got the shade 500, I guess. There was multiple different ones. This one called out to me. So I think I'm light enough for the bronzer. And the blush is a lot more like pinkish red tone than I'm used to. But I think it'll be fine. So let's get crack-a-lackin'. I'm gonna take my trusty fluffy bronzer brush. And I'm just gonna pack my brush and start bronzing up the face. I actually really like how that looks, so let me do the other side. Okay, wow, so I really like how this bronzer looks. I'm gonna go in with this blush right here. I'm just taking a angled brush. I've been starting to concentrate my blush on like the outer part of my cheek. I used to do it down here, but I realized that it helps lift my face and bring it more upward if I just center the blush around this like cheekbone-ish area. I'm really not mad at it. I kind of enjoy this blush a little bit. Bronzer's a win, blush is a win. Now for highlight. I'm gonna go in with my trusty BH Cosmetics brush. Before I ever do highlight, I always use setting spray to kind of melt all those powders in, but also to give it, the highlighter, something to stick to. So let's see, I'm just gonna pack it right here. Yeah, I don't like that. It's leaving this like white cast, and it's bringing out all the texture I didn't even know I had. Like, I know I had texture, but like, wow, do I have texture. But I'm trying to give it a fighting chance, and this is really sad. It's just, I mean, it's blinding-ish. I mean, you can see for yourself that it gives you a glow. Obviously, from the camera, it looks super blinding and glowy, but like in person, it just looks so dry and powdery, and I just have so many highlighters that are better than this. I'm gonna take my powder brush, and if you feel like you over highlighted, you can just take your powder brush and kind of just go over the parts where you're like, I need to tone it down a little bit. But yeah, I'm also gonna go over where I put the bronzer and the blush, that way it's not like, holy crap, there's bronzer and blush on your face, you know? Now that I got my base on, I'm gonna do my eyebrows off camera, and I will be right back. Alright, so I zoomed you guys in a little bit more so you can see what I'm gonna do on my eyes. Yes, I know, we're up close and personal. For eyeshadow today, I'm using the Covergirl Country Woods Quad eyeshadow palette. They had a lot of eyeshadow palettes, but I was like, you know what? There's so many other palettes out there, but I want to see if I can actually create an entire look using these 4 colors. I need to figure out how to open this package. Oh gosh. This is gonna be a long tutorial. Oh my god, I'm so stupid. I literally have lash scissors right here. I'm just a moron. Oh my god. Come on, Eli, get your stuff together. Alright, so I got it open. Okay. Well, no one uses this anyway, so that's trash. These look super basic, and I'm actually kind of scared. I should have gotten a larger palette, because now I'm looking at it, and I'm not getting much to work with. I'm gonna go put on eye primer, and I'll be right back. I'm gonna take a fluffy brush, and I'm gonna pack it into that white shade, and kind of just wipe it over the crease. That way I'm kind of setting it, but also adding color. I'm gonna go in with the Morphe M506. It's like a small little blender brush. And I'm gonna take this outer shade right here, and I'm just gonna put that in the crease. I guess, you know, since Thanksgiving is Thursday, I wanted to do like a little fall Thanksgiving look. But we'll see with these shadows. I don't even know how they're gonna perform, to be honest. So I'm just building up this color by going back and forth in my crease. I'm not gonna do a winged out look like I normally do. I'm just gonna keep it rounded for this look. Keep blending out that color until I get the pigment that I want. I'm also taking that color on the outer third part of my eye, just to kind of connect it from the outer part to the front of my eye. Then I'm going to take that brush that we used to add that white shade, and I'm just going to blend out the edges so we have a seamless look. Now I'm going to take that same brush that I used, this color, and I'm going to use the darker color, and I'm going to concentrate that on the outer third part of my eye. Kind of packing it in first, and then roughly blending it on the outer third part of my eye. And I'm just slipping that into the crease to add more depth to the eye. I'm gonna add that same color to my lower lash line. Okay, so I think these colors are not working. So what I'm gonna actually do is open up this bronzer that I really like, and I'm gonna take that same brush that I've been using, and I'm gonna tap into that bronzer, and I'm gonna just rub that into my crease. So I'm just adding that bronzer to the lower lash line as well. I'm gonna save this look. So I'm gonna take the concealer that we used earlier and cut the crease. I should have a mirror, honestly. Where? I need a mirror! I'm gonna take this matte white shade and I'm gonna pack that where we put the concealer. And and hopefully it turns out okay. I'm gonna take this bronzer and I'm just gonna pack that on the outer third to blend my concealer and the outer third. And just kind of like rub it in my crease as well. Kind of make sure everything is blended. So yeah, I'm gonna do the other eye and then I'll be right back. Sorry it's getting dark in here. It's literally like, what, 4 p.m.? But since like daylight savings is happening, it's already getting dark, which is absolutely ridiculous. But anyway, I'm gonna add this highlight to my brow bone. Then I'm gonna add it in the inner corners. I totally forgot, but I remember that we bought the mascara, the Lash Blast mascara. And so before I put on lashes, I just wanna see how well this mascara performs. I'm just like not a huge fan of this mascara. It did nothing for my lashes. I'm just gonna do the other one, put on lashes, and I'll be right back. Alright, so lashes are on, and they are absolutely stunning. Like, oh my gosh. They are the Lily Lashes in the shade Mykonos. Moving on to lips. I'm using the Covergirl Melting Pout Matte Liquid Lipstick in the shade Current Nude. I kind of like it. It's like a mauve-y nude. It's super pretty. I kind of like it. So obviously I'm in a different setup right now. My lighting in my room literally turned pitch black because of how dark it is right now. My sister's filming it right now, so we're just gonna finish the video. So obviously, once we're done, I'm gonna set my face using the Urban Decay setting spray. Maybe a lot. And then I'm gonna obviously fan it in place. So that concludes my video. My final thoughts on the Covergirl makeup. Most of it turned out okay. My foundation, I like my foundation, how it looks. The concealer didn't really work out for me. It just was drying way too quickly. It was creasing. Especially as an eye primer, I don't suggest it. The trio, the bronzer, blush, and highlighting trio, I really do like. The highlighter, it's a little chalky for me, but it does make a really good bone highlighter for your brow and for your inner corners, so I do like that. The mascara was a flop. I did not like it at all. It didn't work for my lashes at all, so I decided that, no, I'm gonna throw that out. Not good. Just no, it wasn't lengthening, it wasn't volumizing, and it just ended up clumping up my lashes, so that mascara is no good. I do like the lipstick, it's very comfortable, and I think it looks really good. If you like this video, give it a big thumbs up for me, and subscribe to my channel. I post every Tuesday, so make sure to hit that notification bell to get notified every time I upload. I want to thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed today's video. I will see you on the next one. Mwah. Bye guys.